Wheel seal right now. I gotta clean it up a little bit with the gas, and then I'll put the bearings in and put the new seal. Gotta wash it because it was pretty dirty, full with oil. So we're gonna clean everything in gas.
Yeah.
Yes, and then we're gonna put the seal back.
Yeah. Juice?
Mm-hmm. Yes, like that. Good job, baby. Good job, princess.
That is your edit.
Yes, that we're gonna put oil like this.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn it with oil, really good. And then we're gonna put the seal. We have a new seal right here.
That's our.
Yes, it's okay.
You're fine, Tata.
Yeah, arată aici, baby, aici. Așa. And we're gonna take the tool for the seals, like this. So we're gonna take the tool. Go back a little bit. Așa. We're gonna check which size it is. It looks like it's this size. Okay. Let's take this one.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, taking it, Mom. And that.
Like this. This.
Yeah. Uh-oh. I'm sorry.
Okay, then we have to put the seal like this. Now we're gonna hit it with the hammer and press it in. And that's it. And the new seal is in.
Nothing.
Yes, that they're gonna dry with napkins. And this, really good.
Yeah, and then nothing is short, and then get a mommy, then a mommy, in a bowl.
Yes, that they're gonna fix the truck. I'm gonna get the money.
Yeah, but that is the bowl in that.
Yeah, but I don't like the idea that you say you're gonna give it to mommy.
Yeah?
I thought they're working, but you wanna give it to mommy? Come on.
No. That's his dog.
Go back, babe.
There?
No, right here.
Here? Is he?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good job. That's it.
Wait.
Awesome, good job.
And the ball this and then this. Yeah. Yeah. This the ball. Yeah. And the ball is fighting that. That's the joke in the home. Yeah. I can't free and I can't free. No, with a face.
Here, come.
Okay.
I thought they're gonna put oil. Look, baby.
Oh.
Okay, but they're gonna put oil here. Pune aici, baby, poate să vadă. Așa.
Tata, what is this?
Baby, show, look on the phone. Baby, look. Așa.
Tata, what is this?
This is a bearing. This
Where?
is a bearing.
Yeah.
And Tata putting the oil on it.
Yeah, and then now we're standing your mom.
Yes, Tata is putting oil in here.
Yeah, and then Jojo and
Now
Jojo.
we're gonna put this knot.
Yeah, and then Jojo made father.
Yes. So this knot, since it has the spacer corners inside, this one you can tie it all the way down. You don't have to lose it like on the knot. This right here, it pops up and it goes in the hole, and it's not gonna let it go back. So we go down here. It's tight. I'm gonna have to put the new gasket in the hubcap and put the oil in it. Come, baby. Come, hold it. Come, hold it. Asha. Hold it like that. Asha, Kolo. Good job. Stay like that.
I need that
I
time.
thought they're gonna put new gaskets. Asha, Asha. Asha,
Tata. Tata, what are you doing?
Take the fingers from here. Asha, don't put the finger here. Okay, Asha. Asha. Okay, that they're gonna tie the bolts. Right now, we're gonna put the oil in here. Stop, baby. Stop moving, baby. Go back and show me. Okay, we're gonna let it stay a little bit, and then I'll check again. Did the oil change, did the seal, and we gotta do the batteries. We gotta replace the batteries too. All right, guys, thank you for watching.